I need your assistance today.
I'd be happy to help you with whatever you need. What's on your mind? Though you have a specific...
I can also interrupt you in the middle, you know?
Yes, I'm designed to be conversational. I can continue a conversation.
Okay, goodbye. Today we are looking at AI Mate. AI Mate is a terminal command that allows you to chat with Ollama models through voice. So you can voice chat with your models that run locally on your machine. So everything runs locally, the model, the speech to text, and the text to speech. So it uses Whisper for speech to text and OpenTTS for text to speech. And of course, Ollama is the runtime to execute the LLMs. So you can run any model in Hugging Face, and you can chat from your terminal using your voice. So this is how it works. It records the audio, then it translates your audio into text. The text is then sent into the LLM. The LLM replies with text, and this text is transformed into speech, and then the speech is played through the speakers. So the installation is quite simple, but you need some parts here. You need Docker. So I have Docker already installed. You need Ollama to execute the models. You can download it from there. You need to pull the Ollama model. So let me show you. Ollama serve will start Ollama, and then you do Ollama list. And as you can see, I have the model already pulled, but otherwise you will do Ollama pull llama 3.2 3 billion. This is a small model, but it works quite well, and it runs on CPU so that you can run it fast locally. So this will pull the model, but I have it already pulled as I shown you. Now you need to download Whisper. So this is a version of Whisper. It's called the llama file, which is basically Whisper and the model all together in a single file. So you download this file, and I have it downloaded here. You see Whisper file. You have to chmod +X to make it executable, and this will make the file executable in Linux and Mac. In Windows you have to rename this into .exe to execute it. Now I'm going to execute it. So I have it running there as well. So this is the speech to text system here running on this IP and this port locally, and this is the LLM system. Then you need, in Windows, you have to install the Windows terminal, because this terminal allows the AI Mate to render the emojis and the record bar and all those things. Otherwise they won't render. So you have to download the Windows terminal from this URL. That's for Windows. And this part here is only if you compile from the source, but I'm going to download a binary. So you can go to releases here, and you pick the latest release, and then you pick the version for your operating system. In my case, it's going to be macOS. So I downloaded this file so that I can run it. The third thing I need to be running is the, let me see, Ollama, Whisper, and OpenTTS. Yes. So OpenTTS is the part that will translate the replies from the model into speech. So you have to pull these. These are the three services, how to use it. So these are the three services. I have Whisper running here, Ollama serve running there. And now I have to run this Docker image. The first time you run it, it will pull it, and it's quite big because it has all the voices in there. This all version of the image contains all the voices, but you can download just the EN or any language that you need. But in my case, I want to have it all. So I'm going to run this image, which I have already pulled, so I don't have to pull it. So now this is running in this IP address. Okay, so the command basically has several options. You can specify the language in which you are going to speak to it, and it will reply. The sound threshold pick is the is the percentage from 0 to 1 that it will use to start recording. So the program will start recording, and once it detects 10% of audio based on this option, then it's going to start to basically consider your audio as a recording to be sent to the LLM. And the silence is basically once it detects that you have stopped talking for 850 milliseconds, so less than a second. Once it detects this silence below this threshold, then it will just take this block of audio and use it as an input for the LLM. And these are the options like the Ollama base host and the model that you want to use. But by default, it uses this option so that you don't have to specify this option. You can just run this part, AI made. The model, if it's different than this model, you can specify it, and the language if it's different. You also have AI made help. AI made help with all the options in there. Okay, as you can see, it supports lots of languages. So it has voices and it recognizes all these languages. Hola, ¿cómo estás hoy?
Hola, me alegra que hayas iniciado una conversación conmigo. Como soy un modelo de lenguaje.
¿Qué sabes sobre España?
Hola, me alegra compartir contigo información interesante sobre España.
Tell me about the history of the world.
What a daunting task. The history of the world is a vast and complex topic that spans millions of years, covering countless...
I can interrupt you in the middle, you know?
Yes, I don't know that. You're welcome to interrupt me at any time.